shouldn't have done it. So you're telling me you have no feelings for Cal? What's that? Sure about that? I have no interest in following in my mother's footsteps. What do you mean? It means I'm not interested.
Can you hear the birds?
Complicating my life with some sort of summer
I am
fling.
watching this series and there are birds
For
outside.
summer fling, remember? Yeah, and what
And
kind
they are
of thing?
singing very, very loud. And they fly, they come here at this here they sit there. And they fly here.
I don't know if I want to go through all that again. Through what? I don't have the best track record with relationships, so. I wouldn't want to ruin my friendship with Rafe if things went south. I'd never ever go if you don't even try.